Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to my stream. I have been out for a few days with some, let's say, computer problems, but now everything is fine, and I can go back to streaming again. I can go back to coding. So, oops, my mouse is connected for some reason. Because there's too much. Yeah, I don't know why this connects sometimes fine. But yeah, okay. I think everything is online now. Where I was still coding the HTML. I was copying it from Mozilla. Let me just turn on Mozilla and just share it on the screen. The Mozilla Developer Network, topic about CSS, it should be, yeah, let me see it, I should have it saved somewhere, but I don't. This is not very nice. Mozilla Developer Network, CSS. Oh, I have my notes for some reason, so I have this cup of hot tea with the tea bag in. So some people don't like drinking their tea with the tea bag inside. I like it, it makes it more strong. Or as a comedian one time described it, like the whole Brexit situation in Europe is like having a cup of tea and then removing the tea bag out of it. If you leave the tea bag inside, the tea itself becomes strong. But then if you remove the tea bag, you just get this mediocre tea. I just remembered. And it was on the Mock of the Week actually, one of my favorite shows. Okay, let's see what's happening over here. And let me just switch on the screen. Okay. So we have the screen going on, so you can see the CSS is over here. Why is this damage? What's happening? Oops, nope. It's not cascading style sheets, it should be. Do you want to read it in English? Yes. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, why is my mouse continually disconnected? I have no idea. Oh, there is something in the window capture option. That's interesting. Let's see if I can find it. I'm just reading on the other screen also. You can't get the mouse in the window mode, because now if I'm streaming this, you can select just a certain program to be shown, and I can select the code and a browser on the other side, and apparently the mouse can't be shown because it's streaming only what's inside this the software itself, the window itself. So if I stream my screen, you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, okay, let's go on without the screen. Without the screen, okay, just over here. And where did I go to? I went from 42. I like how this. Sometimes the software just works. It just works. Oh, almost just works. No, wrong one again. Where is the? Where is small tool? What happened to me? Sticky notes. Using the sticky notes. Ah, it's over here, sorry. Oh, sorry. It's easy to customize the sticky notes. Nope, I don't need to customize them. Make a list of what I have over here. Okay. Where I went, main selection, and then power, which is nice. Oh, sorry, bugger. The mouse problem. Yeah, let's see where I went. I went to human session values. So, from CSS, I went to value units. Where are you, CSS? Please. Values and units. You can see it over here on the side. Or maybe you can't. Why is it not scrolling? Okay, this is scrolling properly. Intriguing. I don't know if you can hear me actually. Oh wait, I guess the music was a little bit too loud, and my microphone is not really that loud. Yeah, we're just checking how much is the sound. I don't have. I should plug another earphone, and then I don't have a proper way of monitoring the sound separately, so yeah, let me just fix the microphone for a second. External microphone, and let me just increase test. Okay, nice. So if I do it like this, it shouldn't be a problem right now, but I don't know why it's not my okay, now it was scrolling just until that, but okay, no problem, no biggie. So I went until values and units, and because I went until values and units, I need to go on from the next one. Should be sorry, styling text overview. So okay, let me sit down properly this time and see what's going on over here. we have closed one section, open another one, and then we'll go for a header. Oh, sorry about it, this is really bad. And I should call it, but wait, I need to put in the section, as you see on the above one, a class, and then from the class go for main section, and then ID the thing, because with the ID we're going to be able, when we click on the navigation, link, we're gonna go down to that certain page. Ooh, I forgot something I should have done in the beginning. And that thing is, again, wrong hand, I'm learning through freeCodeCamp, and my tools are OBS for streaming. It's a free open source project for, I think if I'm mistaken, pretty much any operating system, almost. And then you have Visual Studio Code as my text editor. And then follow me down on Twitter over here. If you enjoy the song, you can just look for it over here. This is the name of the current song. And I also speak Korean, so 한국말로 대화합시다. Over here. And also, if you like it, later when you see it, like button. If you don't like it, dislike button. It's your opinion. Leave a comment how I can improve the stream, would be nice. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Not that I have that many subscribers, but if you subscribe, now I'm gonna have more subscribers, which is nice. Okay, I hope these videos reach a lot more people who like want to study code. And me as a person who's already studying code, it would be nice to have like to chat with people like who are interested in programming, or let's say the basics of programming, so we can just pretty much advance together. Okay, so let's see now what's happening over here. Let me just increase this for a little bit. Okay, let's see. Let me switch back again, and we need to put an ID, and the ID should be, because I have styling text overview, so the ID should be styling all of a sudden I can't write in English. What happened? Styling text overview. Okay, and then yeah, and then we go down to the header. The header does not need any class or ID, so let's write styling text overview. An overview is something that is not really necessary, but it's, I don't know, some people just like to have a summary. For documentation, it's nice to have an overview. Okay. And then what we do is we put article, and then from article let's go to a P with a paragraph. Oh, when your nose is stuck, it's just so difficult to talk. And let's see, with the basic of the CSS language, covered in this, blah 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 blah. Copy this guy over here. Oh wow, actually, yeah, it's not working because this is a fresh install of the VSC, and I don't have my shortcuts, which is not really nice. So beautify file, and then key binding, command B. One existing command has toggle sidebar visibility. Command Alt B. And then let's go to beautify again, beautify file, Command B, beautify selection. Oh yeah, beautify selection would be nice. Command Shift B. Oops, something is already existing. Run build task. Nope, better not touch this. What is Command V is going to be paste. Command N is going to be new. Command Control B. Oh, okay, nothing over here. Nice. Or maybe actually, wait, no. Command Alt B. Let's just do this guy. Command Control B, because I'm not really gonna open it. And then let's go to beautify selection, Command Alt B. Perfect. Then we save this guy. Oh no, it's automatic saving, so no problem. And then Command B. Bang. Oh, so difficult to talk. And from the next one, which actually, yeah, pretty much this is it actually. So let's close this section down. One section down to go. No, not one section down to go. How many sections? Styling text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 more to go. And then I can touch CSS. Wow. I hope there is nothing from the side that's... Oops. I turned off my music for a second. Oops. My bad. Is it affected? Is the music affected by my scrolling? Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it shouldn't be affected. Yeah, I can feel the hot wind blowing away from my laptop. Maybe there should be a way to... Wait a second, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, we're back online again. What I noticed is I just turned on, because I have this like pad under the laptop, cooling pad, and it has a fan. I haven't used it in a long time, but I noticed when I turn it on, I dropped around 3 degrees, just because the fan is blowing air up towards the laptop itself. Like the thing heats up like it's a MacBook, like it's aluminum body, is, you know, I can pretty much fry things on it, because Intel has been doing a really good job lately in the past years. So yeah, so when you drop the temperature even just a little bit, you can notice the difference. But yeah, enough with the tech problems. This is Spotlight. What is this then? What? There was a way to do hints. I forgot how to do hints. Lint. Enable, yes. Lint fix over. Show option. Output check. Create solid configuration. Hint, was it hint? No, I forgot what it was. VS Code shortcuts. Looks like I'm really low on battery. Like really low on battery. But wait for it. For Mac, let's see the PDF file for a second. Done. And we have trigger suggestion. And for some reason my mouse lost connectivity again. I have no idea why it's doing this. Interesting thing, it doesn't do it outside, it does it over here. Only my phone is on Bluetooth, but it's not on. Oh, there's nothing to pretty much prevent it from connecting. Control space. Trigger suggestion. Okay, we don't have trigger suggestion, so I'm gonna go to keyboard shortcuts and see. Expand abbreviation is tab. Trigger suggestion is control space. But the parent. And let's see what it is. What could be doing control space? I have no idea. Control space input source. This is, yeah, I'm changing my language with control space. I don't need to change my language with control space, to be honest. Turn it off. In using Korean, you can just use the caps lock, because in Korean there's no need for like there's no need for caps lock. Actually, like my English is not even coming out properly. There's no need for caps lock in Korean. So the button itself, if you buy like the latest MacBooks, on the caps lock key it's also used as a switch between English and Korean button. So if you buy a MacBook from Korea with the Korean keyboard, you're gonna notice that on your caps lock there's going to be Han in Korean and then /A, which is pretty much switch from like English is A and Han is for Korean. Okay. Oh, I have exactly 5 minutes of battery. Should I queue off my battery? But this is going to stop the stream. Or should I not? Maybe I shouldn't. Yep, okay, let's turn it on. And we have power. Or I can go extreme and just leave it at 1%, but I never know when it's going to die. Okay. For now, we're done with this. We have over here, and then let me see something. Let's see if I say sub, but then I space. If I do control space, it's still not working. Why? I did override it, or did I? I should have overwritten it. Why is it's not registering space when I click on control? What? Or maybe what? Press Ctrl F7 to change this setting. Text box and full keyboard and Windows style. Press that. What? You should turn it off. Okay. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, I think I know why it's not working, because I need to go to language and region and advanced. Nope, it's not over here. Why? It doesn't make any sense. Keyboard preferences. Use the hand switch ABC. Show input menu bar. Automatically switch. No. Shortcuts. No. I turned it off. It still doesn't make any sense. I guess it just works whenever it wants. Or maybe there is something in the preference which are not doing properly. Over here. Which is short. Suggestions. Workbench. Edit manager. I don't know why. No idea why. Yeah, absolutely no idea why. Enable the back keyboard touch bar. Wait. Visual Studio Code. What is enable touch bar? Still have no idea. Okay, just give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, back again. Back again over here. Let's see. Ooh. So difficult. And then my mouse again. What the fuck is wrong with you? No idea. Open a section. And then from this section, let's just go and what do we gotta add? We gotta add a header. And from the header, the next topic is styling. Lists. And then we go down, article, open the article, put a P. No, but this is something I don't need at all. With what can I? You know what? I'm gonna change the suggestion, which is, yeah. Let me see how I can change it. Trigger suggestion, which is control space. Control space. What if we do it with command space? Okay, there's nothing with command space. Perfect. Is it going to trigger now? Perfect. Okay, we have it working again. That's very nice. Very, very nice. And then from over here I have to go to styling lists. Let me see what's happening over here. A simple example. A very simple example. So what we do is I have to put H2. Like if there is a topic, what I do is I just put a H2, simple example. Oh, but I can't really put HTML. Yeah, I'm gonna just put the text. F it. Oh, sorry about it. Okay, and then let's go down. H2 again. Handling. List. Spacing. P. Oh, and then we have a list itself. Yeah, let's put a list, unordered list, and then we put another list element. Do I actually, let me see if I had any classes with my other unordered lists. Control F over here, UL, bang UL. No, actually I don't have anything. Okay, nice, not bad. So we go down. Maybe I should have put something on it, but nah. And then we put one thing, one topic. Then we put another topic. Nope. Copy. Paste. let's put another one. What is wrong with this mouse? Okay, let me just save it and see what's happening over here. Oh, actually no, it doesn't work properly. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, okay, nice. And then let me close this section off and let's start with the next one, which is styling links. So let's go to section. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, by the way, you see I missed something over here, which I should not. Put the class main section and then put an ID in it. Style. Oops, sorry again. Styling list. And then over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this guy, just paste it over here. Styling links over here, a little bit inside header, and from the header styling links, article, and then from the article let's h2, let's look at some links, and then after this what do we have? We have text, and then we have another unordered list with some bold text. And then we have some code. If I hold Option and then I click on two places, I can code at the same time. You see? And what I can do is, this is a very useful feature. Get rid of this, get rid of this, and then I have a code element. And but I'm going to use a much more comfortable way, which I'm going to show in a second. Let me just copy this text. I go down. And I have visit, right? What I do is just cut the guy, go with the B, it's gonna create a tag for you, just put visit inside, and then what I need to do is get this guy, and then just put code, paste the guy, bang, next one. And this one's going to be pretty much, I'm gonna cover this topic and just get, yeah, I have to go to sleep in a second, so let me just get this guy, B, paste him, cut, code, paste, next, oh, this is annoying. How? What? How did they make this? Okay, let's go and see. Web inspector. Oh, I just want to select one guy. There is a way to do it, I don't know how. How can I select you? I know there is a way. I am really sure there is a way. Damn it. Canvas. Oh, sorry. Yeah, my nose is running like crazy. How? Nope, I'm not gonna deal with this. Copy. No wonder people like to go to Chrome, because the developer tools are way more comfortable. And let me just find the guy. What are you? KBD. KBD, so this is pretty much keyboard. Ooh, intriguing, very intriguing. Using the KBD. Focus and show element focused. Using the KBD, okay. And then HTML element focus, we're gonna cut this code, close it off, paste the guy in, and go to focus. Yep. And then the last one, we have active. And oh, we didn't do the focus guy. Focus. Save it. Yep, we have it over here, nice. Later we gotta do it in CSS. Makes sense. But yeah, okay. Oh, sorry, this is going to be a very short. This is going to be a very short, not very short actually. It's I always try to make it into a 1 hour, but this is the life. Like I guess I can do a lot. Again, I'm unprepared. I'm also sick. Let's hope I'm getting better. I don't know why. all of a sudden. It wasn't that cold outside today, it was perfect weather. Oh yeah, one of my favorite songs, ATB, 9 p.m. with second, or I guess subtitle, is called Till I Come. Okay, so I don't know what else to say there. Yeah, I'm going to try to get back on schedule as much as possible. Just I had some issues with the streaming, so I couldn't be online. But yeah, let's see what's happening. There is going to be a break next week, I guess, for a few days, because the country is going into, like as it's translated, some people it's Thanksgiving, or the Korean Thanksgiving, which is called Chuseok in Korean, and it's like it's a very traditional. It's a traditional holiday. It's not like imported from another culture. Yeah, yeah. Some people may discuss this thing, but yeah, Chuseok is a Korean holiday where usually young people go and go to the, like usually families go to the oldest family member. So let's say that if your grandfather or grandmother are alive, and usually you go to them. Or let's say that your grandfather or grandmother are alive, but your mom's grandfather and grandmother, it's very complicated. Usually it's the oldest family member. So let's say that I have a bigger brother and I have a younger brother. If we have to gather on Chuseok, we have to go to the big brother's house. That's how it works. It's based like it's hierarchical. I can't even speak English today. But yeah, the oldest person's house is usually the one that's being visited, and then you go there and then you pay respect to your family, even to people who are already not among the living. With let's say you have this table, you have this traditional way of paying respect with like fruits and food and etc. etc. If this should be I might be mistaken with another holiday, but I think this was Chuseok. It should be, in my memory. If I'm mistaken, I'm gonna correct myself next week or next time. Well, not next week. I'm gonna correct myself tomorrow. But yeah, and usually people travel a lot. Like one amazing thing about the city of Seoul is that when people just have to go somewhere to in Chuseok, wow, the city is just so empty. It's the best time to just go anywhere. Like a lot of places are closed down. You can't eat. Like they like put stickers on the windows and the doors like that. This place is going to be on a break from this day to this day. There is a trend that some people don't go to such gatherings, family gatherings, because it's very stressful for them. But mainly people still visit their older family, and that's why the city empties a lot. Just give me a second. Not bad. Yeah, the city empties a lot, and it's nice. Like it's nice to go and just like at some point on the day of Chuseok, which is probably Monday or Sunday, I'm not sure. If you go, let's say, to Lotte World Tower, which is the tallest building now in Seoul and in Korea, and there is a big shopping mall. The expensive shopping mall, there is the expensive one and there is the peasant one for people like me, poor people. You can just go to the expensive one and you can just enjoy like watching it Gucci and it's like other brands that I literally don't care about and find no value. And later people complain about Bitcoin and how does it have any value, like the same as buying a bloody bag just because it has a name on it doesn't make it better than something I can buy for 20 bucks. Yeah, but yeah, we can have a deeper topic about it. Try to convince me. But yeah, and it was interesting, like I think it was last year, I went there on that day and there was no one except foreigners. Like, it was amazing. Like, I couldn't see Korean guys except maybe a few staff. That was it. It was an interesting sight. But yeah, let's see. Like, I'm gonna try to stream maybe longer during those holidays. And yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it for the. Oops, I didn't make the sofa. Sorry. That guy over there, it's a pillow, and then there is this frog guy over here. Hello there, guys. How do you like my stream? Okay, enough for the go there, buddy. Protect the sofa. But yeah, and that's it. Okay, that's it for tonight. Let's see. I'm going to try to. I can't promise, but I'm gonna try to finish everything. Just go to the CSS tomorrow. Like, yeah, I'm gonna try to finish it before the stream, so I can just start with the CSS. Okay, that's it for me. Good night. Don't forget. Oops, wrong hand again. Okay, get used to it. freeCodeCamp, OBS for streaming, VSC for text edit, my text editor, with a lot of extensions, which I'm going to write later over here, but there's going to be too much, I guess. Follow me on Twitter. If you like the song, just go up here. And also, if you speak Korean, just oops, wrong, over here. I can talk Korean. Talk with me in Korean. I always like to have somebody talk with me in Korean. And what else? Yeah, if you're watching live, I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you're watching later, I hope you enjoyed the video, and hit the like button, hit the dislike button. It's your choice. And if you would also like to, click the subscribe button. Helps a lot. And if you share it, it's even better, because I would like to reach a wider audience. And yeah, that's it. I guess maybe after this, if there is time, I can't promise, but maybe I'm gonna start making like one stream, let's say just explaining Sketch, or maybe I can just start doing Framer, because I want to study Framer properly. So I might start doing stream with Framer. But yeah, okay, this is it for today. Enjoy the song, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.